Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create a ezWeb employee account. So to create a ezWeb employee account, what you can do is just simply open up your browser, and after opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for ezWeb employee sign up. And after searching for that, you'll come up to this page where you can just tap on this first option. And after tapping on that first option, you will come up to this page. Now what you can do is just tap on client or employees, which is on the top right corner of your screen. And after tapping on that, now what you can do is just tap on ezWeb login. And then you will come up to your ezWeb login page where you can just scroll down. And here you can see employee enrollment option. So just tap on this option which is employee enrollment. After tapping on employee enrollment, now what you can do is just simply enter your email address. After entering the email address, you have to just re-enter the same email address that you have just entered. After entering that, now you can just enter your first name and then enter the last name and then create a password for your account. And then re-enter the same password. After entering the same password, now just check these two options, and after checking those two options, what you can do is just tap on create account. After tapping on create account, and after waiting 15 minutes, you will receive an email address from ezWeb, and you just have to open up your email address and then verify your email, and after verifying your email, you will successfully create your account. So that's it guys, this is how to create a ezWeb employee account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.